Hey everybody, what's going on? So, are you working on a podcast in Libsyn and maybe you tried to upload an audio file that didn't get uploaded properly? Problem is when you go to re-upload it, it's saying it's already there. So, if you're trying to figure out how to delete a file that you need to delete because it's just corrupted or it's not the right file and you need to get it out of there so you can upload another one, this is how you do it. Let me show you. You log into your Libsyn account. Once logged in, you're on your main dashboard. Scroll all the way down. And right over here, lower right, under monthly storage, we have the number of megabytes that have been used so far. You want to click on manage. Once you click on manage, you're going to have all of your possible files that you've ever uploaded in there. These are going to be the active files. And what we want here in this case is this very first file. We're going to go ahead and just click on the three dots in the far right hand side of this listing. And we're going to use the drop down, go all the way down to delete and yes, I want to delete one file, and boom, we are all done. So hopefully this is helpful. I was just banging my head trying to figure out how to do this. All the resources I was looking at weren't working. So I thought, let's make a video because if I'm banging my head, chances are you're banging your head. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.